how to create a course on Selar, and in just a matter of minutes. So we'll go straight to Google Chrome, and we go to the Selar website, sellar.co, and then we wait for it to load. Now when it loads, it says the best way to sell your digital products. You know what Selar is? Selar is a way of receiving payment from every part of the world. If you create courses on Selar, you're able to sell the course to anybody anywhere around the world and receive your payments. Personally, I've done a great deal on Selar, and I hope to do more. So the website is sellar.co. So when you're on the home page, you might choose to click start selling with Selar, or you click here and know how it works, right? You just navigate around the whole thing, click on start selling with Selar. You're meant to create you are meant to choose a username, enter your email address, and then create the account. But because the account has been created by me, I already have an account. I'm just going to log into one of my accounts with Selar. I actually have more than one account, so I'll just log into one of my accounts that was actually created purposely for this course. So we'll wait for it to load. Normally, depending on the strength of your internet connection, ordinarily it's not supposed to take more than 1 minute to come up. It actually takes less than a minute to come up for you to register or to log in. So it's up. I'll enter my email address, which is here already, and then I'll log in. So this is me on my Selar dashboard. You see the URL up here, sellar.co/me/dashboard. Now it's as simple as clicking on add products. In the last 30 days, I've done all currencies and I have 2 products. Sales 0, customers 0. Okay, now if I click on add products rather, there are lists of products here. There are physical products, there are digital products, tickets, subscription services, course hosted on Selar. This is actually pro, you have to pay to get it, and then stream online, only video/audio. You also have to pay to get there. And then there's a membership course, and also there is a flexible subscription. So I do digital products mostly because it's free. So when I click on digital products, what I do is this. First of all, I'll bring the image of my product here. Assume that I'm doing an online course and I want people to register on sellar.com. Now I would check for a flyer that I can use as a cover. Let's say I'm creating a course for unleashing creativity, which is actually my course on Selar. So I would check for the flyer quickly. The flyer is supposed to be somewhere around here, so I'll check for the flyer, and okay, I'll click on this. The flyer is supposed to be under my WhatsApp images. All right, WhatsApp documents rather. Okay, this is the flyer. I'm uploading the flyer now. Suppose it's 3 MB, so the product name should be graphic design masterclass. Yes, and then I decide to sell this course on. I'm deciding to sell this course for 50,000, for instance, but because it's it's not a free product, I'm going to leave this off. So the sale price is 50,000 naira. Now this is for other currency. Let's say I want to choose another currency. For instance, this XAF, this is the Cameroon currency. So I would just enter maybe 60,000. That's for international clients. Now do you understand? That's for international clients. So I'm going to just type a little description: buy this life changing course for 50. Now you can now say then so what I'll do now is that I'm going to highlight this and strike this through. You know what this means? That the price is actually no more 50,000 but 10,000 naira. Okay, and be on your way to earning in, put the dollar symbol. So you say, is this product has multiple variant options like tiers, and I don't. It's just a straightforward product. So here I'm going to upload the flyer again, or I will enter, I'll make it a pre-order. Okay, if I say pre-order, it means that I want people to start buying in advance. Let's say I'm uploading a book, for instance. I want people to start buying before I, like, they pay for the product before they get it. Do you understand? They pay for the digital product before they get it. So if it's pre-order, you have to set the date, but I'm not doing a pre-order, so I'll just remove it. And then I'm going to upload. This is compulsory, so you have to upload something. I'll just upload the image again so that they would grant me access to upload my course. I think it's here. Okay, so the image uploads, and then you can automatically redirect buyers. Let's say you post your WhatsApp, your customized WhatsApp link here, or you post your website. So I'm posting my website. So anybody that pays for this course automatically is redirected by sellar.com to my website to either download his products or to join the WhatsApp group actually, or to download the product. But in this case, it is to join the WhatsApp group because it is an online training that's going to be done on WhatsApp. So I'll enter my website. Good. And then I am going to create my product. Now when I create this product, in almost immediately it comes live. Now it say edit graphic design masterclass. Your product is live. If you want to come back and edit it, fine. If you want to leave it this way, fine. But so far so good. I have uploaded my I have uploaded my course on. See, congratulations, your product has been uploaded. So now when I copy this as a text, I'm copying it as a text, I go to my browser and paste it, for instance. Now when I click on this, it takes me as a client now that wants to buy this course directly to the page where I'm supposed to pay for this course. So this is what your customers see when they come to your page. Of course, they are buying in naira, so this is what they see: the naira and then the other currency. Then you see the price, buy now. Whoever wants to buy, they check out, enter their card details, and then they pay you. So that is that about registering courses on selling courses on sellar.com.